Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're taking a look at the Pellebant umbrella that measures 9 by 11. We are going to assemble it and then show you what it looks like and how it works. Also, make sure that you see the comments below for further information or for future information. First, it comes with a base already assembled. Here you can take off the plastic cap so they can be filled with water or sand. The base could also be drained off easily using the side caps. The base is strong, and it also comes with wheels so it can be moved around easily. The umbrella also comes with this frame that is not necessary if you got it with the first base, but I will show you how to put it together just in case you want to put the sandbags over it to keep it from falling. Basically, you put both pieces together and then put down the screws to hold everything up. In our case, we're not using it because we are using the one that you fill up with water or sand. Once you put it together, you assemble it as shown. Make sure you install the solar panel. Fill both sides with water. Fasten down the umbrella with the screw. Install the handle by pushing it. Before you open the umbrella, put these pieces together. Make sure you connect the wires. Push down the pin to put them together. Make sure you install the solar panel and tighten it until it stops. Once the umbrella is assembled, you can tilt the umbrella because it has 6 different stops. All you have to do is hold the crank on the pole, squeeze the locking mechanism to unlock, and then tilt it to the desired height until it locks into one of the 6 stops. You could also rotate the umbrella 360 degrees to provide shade all around. To do this, just step on the pedal at the bottom of the umbrella as you saw previously and rotate the umbrella, and then let go of the pedal until it stops at your desired angle. This is the best patio umbrella we've had so far. Not only does it look elegant, it is also versatile, strong and useful since it provides shade during the day and good looking ambient cool white light at night that it is bright but not overwhelming. It also has a USB-C input just in case you want to charge the batteries that are inside the solar panel. And the on and off switch is easy to push to turn on and off the lights. If at any time the lights on the umbrella do not turn on, then it could be that the batteries have gone bad. So you can go ahead and switch the batteries. And if that's not the case, then perhaps the solar panel has gone bad. But don't worry because you can replace the solar panel. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.